Hi, Board of Directors. We are Group 9, and I, Fabiola Gonzalez, along with Francisco Aquino, Joseph Lambarin, and Javier Juarez, will be presenting to you 3 efficient and cost-effective steps Unico will need to implement in order to be successful. I'll start with a brief background of Unico. Unico is a manufacturing company that employs approximately 1,000 employees. Unico is managed by Alex. Alex is an operations manager. He's constantly at a battle with problems that arise at the plant. But with the help of his friend Jonah, they're able to tackle the continuing and ongoing struggles. Unico plant faces various difficulties with its shipping and production methods. Shipments are generally always late, and the plant is on the verge of closing because of this. Alex wants to improve Unico's plant productivity and has been given 3 months to turn the plant around. The plant has various areas that they can improve upon. Their employees aren't being as productive as they can be. The machine downtime is contributing to a significant amount of cost, mostly due to the fact that they are being underutilized. Orders were being filed out as fast as possible, which ended up actually increasing cost because it left equipment and inventory idle in their plant. There was low amounts of communication going through the whole plant. Little was touched on to concern the fact that communication wasn't good enough. Little effort to inform the entire plant of changes that occurred or ways to improve production were absent. Management is one of the reasons why all these issues were present.
Our group proposes the idea for the creation of a better system to conduct better communication between different departments, like management and accounting departments. Creating a better relationship within departments can potentially reduce the costs and increase the speed of making decisions. Effective communication within departments generates a very great sense of productivity. We can see that creating a better balanced flow of units being produced has increased efficiency. Striking a good flow with the bottlenecks and non-bottlenecks is part of the improvement within the plant. Having the workers work within other areas so they are always busy has also contributed to the improvement of the plant. If there is continuous communication within the plant, we can assume that unexpected or sudden changes with orders received can change production and reduce potential losses. Communication serves as a foundation for planning and achieve team goals. It makes employees comply with the company policies, perform their jobs effectively, and communicate work problems or constraints to their operation managers.
To begin Unico's recovery process, our first step is the implementation of managerial meetings, which can improve Unico's communication. This is a step in the right direction to becoming a more productive and profitable organization. Any issues and sudden changes to the plants can be dealt with accordingly in due process. These meetings don't have to be long in particular, as long as they address the issues on the table. Each plant can then further call for meetings with their employees to create an open forum to receive a rundown with productivity and costs. Making sure that the meetings have positivity and good workflow is key to ensuring that communication is valued from everyone in the organization. Communicating ideas during meetings will help all employees establish a degree of trust in the pursuit to achieve Unico's goal and become more profitable. This would not cost much, as it would just take time out of the day for managers to conduct these meetings. Like some board members, perhaps the cost of donuts and coffee may be included into the budget. From implementing this step, but nothing too over the top. Companies that apply programs or strategies where everyone's responsibilities are clear have more success as opposed to those that give little value to communication. Meetings build relationships that are critical to the efficiency and quality of the product for Unico.
Step 2. Implementation of an enterprise renewal planning (ERP) information systems to facilitate the flow of goods and make lead times more effective for Unico. ERP systems are known to give operations management the ability to make effective decisions of the inventory and will lead to decreased cost, higher availability of goods, increased quality, and a more efficient plant and flow of goods. While it is a high-risk, high-payout option for Unico, we feel that the ERP systems will be beneficial to them. The benefits of implementing an ERP system are organizational flexibility and agility, decision support, and quality and efficiency. Because Unico faces difficulties with shipping and production, one of the aspects of this new ERP system is the modules that manage the various aspects of production planning and execution of production processes. This will lead to more efficient operations management, such as demand forecasting, inventory management, material purchasing, shipping, distribution, and transportation. One of the drawbacks of implementing an ERP system, however, is that it may fail altogether. The main reason for ERP implementation failure is if managers fail to fully involve and train the employees that are being affected by these new changes with the new work tasks. Also, if they attempt to accomplish too much too quickly during the conversion process, this has also been a reason for failure. Since we suggest an implementation of weekly managerial meetings, lack of communication should not be a problem, as they will be more up to date and inform their employees of the new changes.
Step 3. How giving incentives to employees can result in higher production. In order for a company, including Unico, to be successful, it must give back to its employees as much as employees give to the company. There are two types of incentives: rewards and recognition. These incentives can be both monetary and non-monetary. Rewards is one type of incentive. Rewards can increase enthusiasm among employees. Goals are also very important because it increases their motivation to achieve a goal which they know they will be incentivized for. They will feel a desire to work, and being able to accomplish the company's overall goals gives them a sense of self-accomplishment. The second type of incentive is recognition. If the employees feel recognized, it increases both their motivation and self-esteem. Overall, these incentives will increase job satisfaction while at the same time improving productivity within the company. Currently, having no incentives for Unico's employees keeps productivity at a readily steady rate, whereas implementing a reward and recognition program shows how it can greatly increase productivity within the company. As we can see, over time, productivity dramatically increases when employees feel both appreciated and motivated to reach a goal for the company. If Unico wants to become more successful, a program like this is necessary to achieve those goals. This concludes our 3-step implementation process that we think could benefit Unico.